Welcome back, children. How are you all? Well, I hope that each one of you have learned the water song. Do you remember the song that we learned in the last class? Well, yes, we did it together, right? And I also told you to learn it by heart. So are you ready to sing it once more? Shall we all stand up together and do the song? Perfect.
I am water, I am water, I am water everywhere. I am water, I am water, I am water everywhere. I am cool, fresh water, refreshing to drink. I am cool, fresh water, refreshing to drink. I am ice, I am ice, I am ice to skate on. I am ice, I am ice, I am ice to skate on. Oh what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun, just think. Oh what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun, just think. So this is how the rhyme or the song goes. Shall we do it once more? Will you all stand up with me and do? Are you ready? Perfect. I am water, I am water, I am water everywhere. I am water, I am water, I am water everywhere. I am cool, fresh water, refreshing to drink. I am cool, fresh water, refreshing to drink. I am ice, I am ice, I am ice to skate on. I am ice, I am ice, I am ice to skate on. Oh what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun, just think. Oh what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun, just think.
That was wonderful, wasn't it? Yes. So children, if you may have a little hint, today's topic is water. So children, water is very important for us, and it is not only important for us but also for plants and for animals, right? Yes. So children, water is found everywhere. If we see, 75% of the earth is filled with water. Yes? Yes, we have plenty of water in our earth. But slowly, the water is decreasing, right? Years after year, water decreases because so many people drink water, right? So many people, animal, plants, they use water. So children, always remember that we should never waste water. Alright? So, moving on, we find different places where we can get water. That is ponds, ocean, lakes, rivers, stream. These places gives us water. So they are called sources of water. The places where we get water from is called as sources of water. Alright? So children, I will teach you a simple way, okay, how all these things take place. If we start here, this is called as a water cycle. Now, the water in the lake or ponds, seas, oceans, wherever there is water, it gets heated up with the sun rays, right? The sun heats the water. When the sun heats the water evaporates, right? It evaporates and it goes up and forms clouds. Okay? the water evaporates and it goes up, it becomes cloud. Then again it comes down to us in the form of rain. And then again the same process takes place. This process is called as water cycle. Alright? Should I tell you once more? Okay. The water in the lake, river or seas, they get heated up by sun rays. Okay? Then they evaporate and form clouds. And then they come down to us by rain. This process is called the water cycle. Alright? This was just a rough information for you. Okay? So, moving on. The topic for today is sources of water. The places from where we get water. Alright? So, rain, children. Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. But that does not mean that we can drink rainwater as it comes down. No. It can be harmful. There can be germs in it. Okay? So, just remember that rain is the main source of water. The next one is ponds and lake. Okay? Ponds and lakes are also sources of water. These are places where the rainwater falls and accumulates. Okay? It forms, the rainwater falls, and lakes and ponds are small places where the water gets collected. Alright? So lakes and ponds are also sources of water. The next one we have is the river. Alright? The next one is streams. What? Streams. The next one, children, are the glaciers. The glaciers are big ice pieces. Okay? They are big ice pieces which melt when the sun heats them, and from that the water comes. Alright? As you see, when you hold an ice cube in your hand, right? When you hold an ice cube in your hand and when you close it, what you can see? That the water falls down, right? Because your hands are warm and the ice is cold. So when you close your hand, then you can see that water is falling down. The same way, glaciers are big ice pieces. So when the sun heats them up, they melt and they give water. Alright? Which leads to streams or rivers. Alright? So, then the next one we have is the underground water. Children, underground water means when the rainwater falls on the ground soaks the water and they keep it on the ground here, as you can see. Right? So the rain falls and they soak the water down and it gets collected under the ground. That is known as underground water. This underground water, okay, we take that water out with the help of tube wells and hand pumps, or wells and hand pumps, right? So, when you see, when you put the hand pump up and down, when you press it, when you move it, that is the way the water comes out from the ground, right? Yes, when the earth or when the land soaks the water down, alright, it gets collected on the ground under the soil. Okay, that is called as underground water. Okay, and we use that water with the help of wells and hand pumps. Did you get that? Perfect. Okay, the next one we have is seas and ocean. Children, seas and ocean are huge water bodies. Okay, they are huge, big water bodies. But the only thing is that they have salt in it. So we cannot drink sea water or the ocean water. Okay, but they are huge water bodies. So in order to make them safe for drinking, they are left in huge factories. They go through filtration. Okay, they go through a lot of machines to get the salt out from the water. But sea or ocean water we cannot drink because it's very salty, right? Have you ever went to the beach? Have you tasted salt water? You know how it tastes, right? It's very salty. You cannot drink it. But it is a source of water. So children, did you understand the sources of water? If not, we will revise it again from the starting till the end. Alright? So the first one is rain. Rain is the main source of water. What it is? It is the main source of water. Next we learnt about ponds and lakes, rivers and streams, glaciers, underground water, that is wells and hand pumps, seas and oceans. So children, these are the main sources of water. Alright? Perfect. So children, as we have come to the end, I just want to tell you one thing, that please do not waste water. Okay? Water is life. We cannot live without water, children. It is very important, right? When we are thirsty, we drink water, right? We use water for cooking and so many things. All these things we will see in the next class. But remember one thing, do not waste water, because water is life. It is very important in our day-to-day life. Alright? Perfect. So children, I will see you soon in the next class. Until then, take very good care of yourself and do not trouble your parents. Okay? Bye.